Amazon Robotics shifts. Amazon has announced that it will discontinue its Astro for Business robot. Customers will receive full refunds and a $300 credit. However, the consumer version of Astro remains unaffected and continues to be developed. This decision highlights Amazon's strategic shift towards improving home robotics and exploring generative AI applications in consumer devices. Now, let's move to our second news about AI winter. AI winter refers to periods of reduced funding and interest in artificial intelligence research, often following cycles of hype and disappointment. The first major AI winter occurred from 1974 to 1980, driven by overhyped expectations, technical limitations, and critical reports like the Lighthill report. These periods of reduced interest have alternated with AI summers of renewed enthusiasm and investment, with the field experiencing several such cycles since its inception in the 1950s. In our next news, we explore the innovative world of neuromorphic chips. These computer processors are designed to mimic the human brain's structure and function by integrating memory and processing. They utilize spiking neural networks and combine analog and digital circuits to achieve efficient parallel computation. Neuromorphic chips excel at tasks like pattern recognition and adaptive learning, making them highly promising for future AI and robotics applications.